So taking advantage that my hair is straight, or as straight as it will be with all things considering. So this is actually a few days after a class, so she holding up pretty well. My scalp is pretty thick, which is why I want to try out the curl formers. When my hair is actually already straight, I normally only use the curl formers to actually straighten my hair when I wash it. So it'll be nice to see the results on hair that has already been flat ironed. So this is the before. Not too bad. I mean, for around the house. I'll be back in a bit. So I just want to come on real quick and show you how I'm doing these sections, mainly how I'm doing my hair without completely reverting. So little spray bottle of water. I'm using the Gemini Natural Get Hued in Cobalt on certain parts, more of just a highlight, and then of course the Melanin Hair Care Curly Elongating Cream. So I didn't go color heavy, just wanted to put a few highlights in. And again, I want to keep my hair as straight as possible, so about 2 or 3 squirts of water in my hand. Massage it in, and a small size amount of the curl elongating cream. Now I found the best way for me to put in curl formers is to slightly twist the root. Already pick that up in a second. Already have this set. Hook it right, make sure there's no extra hair on the side of the hook, and pull it straight through. Real simple. Spray. I'm going to put the color on this one. Pretty blue. I love blue. See how well that shows up. It's so pretty. And that's it. I'm probably going to wait about 2 or 3 hours just because I have nowhere to be. My hair's not really that wet and I'm just going for soft curls, so these should not take too long. I will come back with the results. Hey guys, so I am back. It's been roughly 4 hours. I am ready for these to come out. My head is so heavy right now, and it's actually not that many in my hair because I found out I used half of what I normally use when I do the curl formers on my hair as soon as I'm out the shower. But 4 hours in, we're just gonna see what this looks like. Again, I just wanted to do some light curls, so I don't expect these to have much hold because they weren't that wet, so they're already dry. I just wanted like to get some more, I won't say waves, but hey, look at that blue. Okay, okay, okay. And also was not uniform in the sizing of these, so some are really, yeah, like that didn't really come out right, but that's fine. when these were more wet than the others, but I'm actually loving how this turns out. Oh, that feels so much better. And oh my crap. Hey, I said I wanted loose curls, and that's exactly what I got. You can totally see the blue. I love it. Right, I don't really want to separate them, but this is it. Definitely can see that blue. Should put another one up front, but I didn't. It's so pretty. But yeah, that is the result of the curl formers. Again, definitely some of them turned out way better than the others, but I wanted looser curls. And mainly I just wanted to see what the color would look like. I'm pretty sure if I wore them longer and if I wet the hair a little bit more than what I did, it would have turned out a whole lot curlier and more shrunken. But I actually love how this looks right now. So that's just everything. It's weird seeing myself like this. I think that's the biggest thing, so. But yeah, that's it, using the curl formers on hair that's already straight without me really wetting the hair. So it came out really loose for the curls. Mainly the front probably came out a little bit better just because I probably was a little bit more heavy-handed with the water. And of course the ones that had color, my hair was more damp than what I did with just the curly elongating cream. But yeah, that's it. That is the color of Cobalt from Gemini Naturals. I'll have a code for that in the description box below. So if you guys want 15% off, you can use that. That's pretty much it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.